Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to share with you very easy sauteed potato. It can be a breakfast item or it can be a snack. So first you boil your potato. I usually boil about anywhere between 6 to 10 potatoes, and once it's boiled you and then I usually boil with very little water, and then I don't have to, it soaks and boils better. You know how to boil potato, I assume me. And then you just cut into half like this, see, like that. I have already cut into halves, and then you use tablespoon of olive oil on your pan. You can use any kind of non-stick pan. And then you just gonna use a pinch of turmeric all over, like this. Pinch of salt, and salt is, how much you like it. I just use a little bit. And then I also use a little bit of black pepper. If you want to use a little bit of cayenne pepper, it's okay, but because this might be a breakfast item, you don't want really spicy or any of that. So black pepper like that. And then I had lowered the heat. Now I'm going to rise up the heat. That way I will show you. You're going to be putting the same thing on both sides. And then I like to use some paprika also. So I use a little bit of paprika. You can always do cayenne pepper powder if you like spicy for a snack in the evening. But this is, I'm cooking for breakfast. So then you flip other side. You can see the one side is almost like I've been, I guess, putting in there for a while anyway. And you repeat the same thing on the other side too. Pinch of turmeric, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper here. A little bit of black pepper, and like this, paprika. And once it's almost done, you kind of lower the heat there, it's done. You can sprinkle with fresh herbs. I like parsley or chives. Chives is really good also for breakfast. So let's put chive on this one. You just get your chive or whatever herb you have in your garden, or cilantro, whatever you prefer. You just do that. Ready to eat. This is how it looks. Rajani's sauteed potato with turmeric and fresh herbs. Thank you for watching my